the last of the Wilderness Bowie. Stick around. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Three River Blades. So this is the last of the Wilderness Bowie. It is the last one that I'm making for quite some time. It actually has my name stamped in there. This is for a YouTuber called Stoney, aka James. James, this is your knife. This is the last of the Wilderness Bowie. I'm not making any more. So stick around until the end. I got some great information to pass you guys. Alright guys, I hope you appreciated that video. Again, this is the Wilderness Bowie. It is the last of its kind. It has about a 7-inch blade and a 6-inch handle. It's kind of nice, kind of big. This is 52-100 steel. It has a nice saber grind, super sharp. He also wanted the green, OD green, and let's not forget the sheath. This sheath is a monster, right? It has a fire steel on there. It does have a tech lock, a little bit of OD 550 cord. I'm assuming that James is a military man or prior military, and again, he wanted this bad boy, and this being the last of its kind, I have no problem sending it off, ensuring that James gets a beautiful prize. Thank you very much for your patience. I know that I have been behind, but unfortunately I can't help that. I'm a one-man shop and I'm doing a whole bunch of things. So on my vacation, I'm actually catching up with a lot of orders, all of your orders. Again, this is 52-100. I don't have any more of those, but what I do have is I have this pattern, which is called the MSK. A little bit different, has a smaller blade if you're interested, kind of modeled off the Wilderness Bowie, or you can get the American Bowie, quite a bigger size. All right, so if you want the American Bowie, this is over 1/4 of an inch thick, 52-100, heavy duty chopping, crazy America steel. All right, so you have a smaller one, which is the MSK, more of a survival knife, and the American Bowie has a very long handle, excellent blade. Each will do you very good in a wilderness environment, so if you're interested in that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get this into the mail for James. Thank you very much, James. I think I got this in April. It is now June, so I am starting to catch up. Thank you very much, guys, for all your patience. I know it's been a long time. I'm trying to do everything. Please make sure that you like, subscribe, share, do all that good stuff. This is a fantastic blade. I think everybody should have one. Thank you very much, guys. Please like, subscribe, share, do all that good stuff. Check out all the other channels I have, Three River Kydex, Three River Books, Three River Survival. Anything with Three Rivers is probably going to be me. Also, if you want to support this channel, you can go to Three River Blades and buy an awesome handmade custom knife. Or you can become a Patreon member. Patreon only costs you $1 a month, and you get to watch videos like this before anybody else. Thank you very much, guys. As always, keep grinding.